Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be an opportunity doing medical records data entry. No college degree is needed, although there is some kind of certification that they are looking for. We're going to dive all into it. I always just ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from this, please share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead, though, comes from the company Summit Medical Group. They're out of Tennessee. They have 70 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an electronic medical records or EMR data entry specialist. Now, please note this says this is a full-time opportunity. You can either work in their office or this can be a work from home position. Of course, we on this channel are interested in the work from home position, but they're basically looking for somebody to help with the accurate entry of patient demographics or other pertinent patient information into the patient's medical records. You're going to make sure the patient demographic information like their name, date of birth, address, problem list, their financial guarantor, their insurance information, all things like that are entered into their medical record accurately and the previously entered into the legacy system as well. Now, you are going to have productivity standards that you have to meet while doing this, and of course you've got to follow HIPAA guidelines, but this is going to be straight data entry. As far as what they're requiring, a high school diploma or GED and previous data entry experience is required. Above that, it does look like they're looking for somebody who is CMA or RMA certified, but no college degree is needed. And unfortunately, pay is going to be dependent on things like location and experience and needs to be discussed at the time of the interview. They did not disclose a pay in the job description. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.